Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, May 24, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to talk about Memorial Day weekend and just give you a little reminder and talk about time freedom. But before I get started, if you've never been to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years and been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And I am passionate about helping other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, Tina and I are actually on our ride up north, about 2 hours away, to go see her aunt and uncle and have a Memorial Day barbecue. And it just made me reflect on the real reason why we celebrate Memorial Day and how it's just a time to remember and reflect and reset and be thankful for the freedom that we have. And then it got me thinking about how many people really have true freedom when it comes to working, right? Most people live for the weekend. They dread Mondays. They don't like their jobs. And, you know, to me, being free, true freedom, obviously, like I say, having your health is number one. If you're wealthy and not healthy, what good is it? So always take care of your health first. But true freedom to me is time freedom. Being able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow. And that is what, you know, after a long time, 10 plus years of dabbling in the work from home space, I finally decided to settle on an opportunity and make it work. And now I show other people how I did it. And that's what I teach. I teach people how to generate mailbox money using YouTube and Facebook, having systems in place that do all the selling and telling for you, and using direct mail. And when you do all these things, you know, once you have it set up and you learn the system, it's super easy to do. And I can't guarantee anybody will get results because it's all based on your work ethic, and most people, their work ethic isn't very good. But the people who join me that take action, they have success. All right, and I show up every day showing you the success that I have because I stay consistent. And that's the key to this. You have to stay consistent. So when I highly recommend everyone start building their own mailbox money empire. It's super easy to do. I teach you everything. When you join me, you get a resource page, you get my letter template, you get my contact information so you can reach out anytime you have questions or need assistance. And, you know, you can start building true freedom, right? True freedom, not freedom to where you can do what you want on the weekends and then have to worry about going to work Monday through Friday or however your schedule is. You know, you be able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, not worry about cash flow, and just be able to enjoy life without the stresses of going to your 9-to-5 job that most people don't like. Now, if you like your 9-to-5 job, that's awesome. Congrats to you. You know, I never had a 9-to-5 job that I really was truly passionate about. You know, but I am truly passionate about helping other people supplement or replace their income from home. You know, there's nothing better in the world to me than helping others achieve that. And, you know, it's totally up to you, but that's what Memorial Day is all about, celebrating the freedom that we have and the ones who have given us that freedom. And I'm just here to tell you that you don't have to settle for your 9-to-5 job. You can change it if you want to. So with that being said, I hope you have a great Memorial Day weekend. Be safe if you're out there. Have a good time. And just remember what it's all about. And I'm here to help you out. So with that being said, I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.